Prime and composite numbers. A prime number is a number which has exactly two factors. A composite number is a number which has more than two factors. I have written these numbers just to separate the prime numbers and composite numbers. These are from 1 to 100. So we first of all cut 1. Why we are cutting 1? Because 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 has only one factor, that it is 1. I circle the number 2, which is prime. We have already discussed that 2 has only two factors, 2 and 1, or you can say 1 and 2. Okay, the first prime number I have taken is 2. All the multiples of 2 are composite, as 4 has another factor, that is 2. So 4 has more than two factors, 1 into 4, 2 into 2. So it has three factors, 1, 4 and 2. So I am going to erase 4. Similarly 6, 1 into 6, 2 into 3, it has 4 factors. So we erase 6. 8 has 1 into 8, 2 into 4, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. Erase 8. These all numbers which I am erasing are having more than two factors, so they are composite. 10, 1 into 10, 2 into 5, 4 factors, so I am erasing 10. Or in other words, all even numbers other than 2 are composite numbers. All even numbers at least having 2 as a factor. Every even number has 2 as a factor. So all even numbers are composite other than 2. Or in other words, the only even prime is 2. The rest of prime numbers are odd. As we have observed that all even numbers are composite numbers because they at least have a divisor. So after 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, I have erased all even numbers. As you know about odd and even numbers, every even number comes after every odd number, or every odd number comes after every even number. So after every odd number, there is an even number which I have erased. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 and so on. I have erased all even numbers because all even numbers are having at least 3 factors other than 2. 2 is the only even which has 2 factors. Rest of the even numbers are at least having 3 factors. The third factor is 2 itself, and as they are having more than 3 factors, they all are composite. Okay, now we go for 3. We discussed 3 is a prime number. 3 is the first prime number which is odd. Odd prime, the first odd prime is 3 as it has only 2 factors, 1 into 3. Now all the multiples of 3, for example 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. All the multiples of 3 are having more than 2 factors. For example, if you take 9, 9 has 1 into 9, 3 into 3. 15 has 1 into 15, 3 into 5, more than 2 factors. 12 has 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 6 factors. So all the multiples of 3 will be composite as they are having more than 3 factors, or they are at least having 3 factors. So now I am going to erase all the multiples of 3. 3 2s are 6, already erased because it was even. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, was even. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, even, already erased. 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, already erased, even. 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30 and so on. After 3, the next number comes 4. 4 is an even number and is the multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 was composite number. It was having more than 2 factors. The next prime we have is 5. 5 is the second odd prime. Now we have to erase the multiples of 5. The first multiple of 5 is 10. 10 has been already erased because 1 into 10, 2 into 5. When we erase the numbers which were multiples of 2, 10 was erased. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are already erased because they were the multiples of 2 and they were composite numbers. The rest of numbers which are in the table of 5 are 15, already erased. Why 15 is erased? Because it was in the table of 3. 20 erased, it was in the table of 2. 25 we erased, composite number, it has 1 into 25, 5 into 5. So it has more than 3 factors, more than 2 factors. After 25, 30, then 35, 40, 45 already erased because it was the factor of 3. 50 already erased, it was a factor of 2. Now I erase 55, 60, 65, 70 and so on. After erasing the factors of 2, 3, the multiples of 2, 3 and 5, you can see our number list is becoming less and less. The next prime number is 7. As 7 has only 2 factors, 1 and 7. So I circle 7, it's a prime number. The multiples of 7, 7 2s are 14, already erased because it was the multiple of 2 also. 7 3s are 21, already erased because it was the multiple of 3. 7 4s are 28, even number, erased. 7 5s are 35, multiple of 5. 7 6 are 42, already erased, it was the multiple of 2. 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49, we erase 49. 56 is erased, even number. 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. 63 is erased, why? Because it was the multiple of 3. 7 10s are 70, it was a multiple of 2, it was a multiple of 5. 70, after 70 we need 77. After 77 we have erased 77, 84, 7 12s are 84 and so on. After erasing all the multiples of 7 as they were having more than 2 factors and they were the multiples of 7, so now we come to the next number which was 8. 8 is already erased, 9 is already erased. 8 was a composite number, it was a multiple of 2. 9 a composite number, a multiple of 3. 10 a composite number, multiple of 2 and 5. We come to 11. 11 is the first 2-digit odd but 2-digit prime number. In 11's table only 1 and 11's come. 1 11s are 11, 11 1s are 11, so it's a prime number. 11 2s are 22, erased. 33 erased. 44 erased. 22 was even. 33 was, here was 33 was the multiple of 3. 44 even. 55, here 55 was a multiple of 5. 66 even. Here 77 multiple of 7. 88 even. 99 multiple of 3. All numbers which were in the table of 11 are already erased and they were composite numbers because they were having more than 2 factors. In numbers after 11 we come to 12. 12 is an even number, so it is erased. 13 is the next prime. 13 2s are 26, erased. 13 multiple of 2. 13 3s are 39, erased. 13 4s are 52, erased, even number. 13 5s are 65, erased, as it is the multiple of 5 also. 13 6 are 78, I guess. Yes, 78, even number. 13 7s are 91, it was also the multiple of 7, so it is erased. So all the multiples of 13 less than 100 are finished. Now come to 14. 14 was even, erased. 15 was prime, the multiples of 5 was prime, the multiples of 5 are erased. After 15 we come to 16, even. 17 is the next prime. 17 twos are 34, already erased, even number. 17 threes are 51, erased, it was also the multiple of 3. 17 fours are even number. 17 fives are 85, multiple of 5. Now we skip 18, come to 19. 19 to the 38, sorry, it's not here, even number. 19 threes are 57, 57 was already in the table of 3, finished. 19 fours are 76, even number. 19 fives are definitely a multiple of 5. So all the multiples of 19 are also finished. Now 21 is in the table of 3. 23, the next odd number which is prime. 23 multiplied 2 was in the table of 2, that was 46. 23 into 3 was in the table of 3, 69. 23 into 4, 92 was in the table of 2, so it is also not here. So rest of the multiples of 23 are more than 100. After 23 we go to 24, even. 25 multiple of 5. 26 even. 27 the multiple of 3. 28 even. 29 is there. Okay, 29 multiplied 2, 58. 58 is already erased. 29 into 3, 87, erased as it was in the table of 3. And definitely 29 4, when we multiply with 4, we shall have more than 100. The next prime number is 31. 31 multiplied 2 is 62, not here. 31 multiplied 3 is 93, not here. After 31 we have neither 32, even. 33 multiple of 3, 34 even. 35 multiple of 5, 36 even. 37, yes, it is prime. 37 multiplied 2 is also an even number, and it is in the table of 2, so it's composite. After 37, 38 even. 39 already in the table of 3, 40 even. 41 is prime. 41 multiplied 2 is even, and it is not in rest, it is not here yet. So after 41, 42 is even. 43 is prime, yes, and 43 multiplied 2, 86, even. It's not here. 43 multiplied 3, not in the list till 100. 44 and 45. 44 is even. 45 is a multiple of 5. 46 is even. 47, yes, 47 is there. 47 multiplied 2 will definitely not in the list as it is prime. 48 was already even. 49 was in the list of 7. 50 in the list of 2, 5 and so on. 51 was in the list of 3. 52 even. 53 is the next prime. 53 multiplied 2 will be definitely more than 100. And now the rest of numbers we have. 59 is prime. 67 is prime. 61, 71, 73, 83. I guess these all numbers are prime numbers. So these are the prime numbers less than 100.